All right, guys, welcome to the Monday Directions. Today we are starting our new units on Islam. So today will be the rise of Islam. We have to go actually pretty quick through this unit just because we have to add. I had to add a project for my own schooling that we will have to do together. So to help give us time for that, we're going to have to kind of go rapid speed through a few of these things to make sure we have time for that. So Islam is the unit. Today you'll be learning about the rise of Islam. So we're going to be going kind of back in time a little bit, obviously with China. Key terms here: Allah, Muhammad, Islam, Muslim, Hajj, the mosque, the Hajj, the Quran, Sunni, and the Sharia. And you'll read all about those items and people. So this reading will do a good job of kind of explaining you a little bit about the beginnings of Islam, with Muhammad, and kind of moving through that story, and kind of going through a few of the main places like Mecca. Read through this. This will help kind of give you an idea on the religion aspect of it all. The 5 pillars, these are all really important. These are like the basic beliefs, the core beliefs. So you have 5 of them. The 5 pillars of Islam, really important. We'll talk about these a lot moving forward. I'm trying to think here. We've got the Quran, obviously important. Sunni or Sunnah. And yeah, so I think this will be a good starting point for us. Again, skip number 2 and skip number 9, but do everything else. Don't do this part, I guess. Don't do this part. Just do the terms. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 will be good enough for us. But all right, guys. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.